My name is Mark Urbanczyk, and I'm principal in Deloitte Consulting, and I lead our analytics and cognitive practice for our U.S. government and public services business. Artificial intelligence presents a tremendous opportunity for organizations across industries to build a competitive advantage. In Deloitte's third annual report on AI and enterprise, of more than 2,700 executives surveyed, 83% of the adopters actually said that AI will be very important to their business success in the next 2 years. So the time to act is now, and the early mover advantage for using AI may fade soon. To act quickly, we're seeing companies and government organizations looking to acquire best-of-breed pre-configured AI platforms and solutions tailored to their unique industry use cases. Whether that organizations are looking for a narrow AI solution for a specific business challenge or need an end-to-end platform to manage and deploy data models and ML solutions at scale, organizations are looking for solutions that make it easier for developers, data scientists, and data engineers to collaborate and take ML projects from ideation to production quickly and in a repeatable fashion. Now, achieving the vision of a collaborative and integrated AI platform requires addressing foundational data and analytics capabilities. For example, our research shows that modernizing data infrastructure to break down data silos is still the most common AI initiative that organizations are undertaking. In addition to managing structured data, today companies need to address a rapidly growing volume of unstructured and streaming data generated from IoT or edge devices, whether that's mobile devices or sensors, etc. Building capabilities to collect, transmit, and analyze this data in motion is key to providing time-sensitive operational insights. Addressing these challenges needs to start from the top, with a clear AI strategy championed by a chief data officer or another executive, focusing not only on breaking down silos for data at rest, but also defining the priority data pipelines required to efficiently analyze streaming data to unlock real-time operational insights. Progress on this front can create a huge maturity jump in an organization's AI journey. By adopting best-of-breed AI solutions and platforms, organizations can address key business and mission priorities while building internal capabilities. An integrated AI platform increases collaboration for developers, data scientists, and data engineers. It promotes reuse in building and running enterprise machine learning applications, provides flexibility and prevents vendor lock-in by incorporating various proprietary and open source technologies, and it enhances processes and tools to ensure the ethical use of AI. These pre-integrated capabilities and models can accelerate delivery of mission insights, whether it's modernizing call centers with conversational AI capabilities to respond to an unprecedented surge in calls, or adjudicating health forms using NLP techniques to ingest, interpret, and triage documents, or taking a 360-degree view approach to COVID recovery efforts by using third-party health and socioeconomic data to inform decisions and intervention strategies. The use of pre-configured AI platforms and solutions is critical to creating timely and impactful business results.